Also, unfavorable conditions like typhoons and strong tidal currents drastically reduce the windows of time where such operations could be feasible. The majority of Taiwanese territory is covered by insurmountable forests and mountains, some almost 13,000 feet tall, reducing the amount of potential landing points in any invasion. Additionally, troops and machines need to be constantly resupplied with food, water, ammunition, and fuel in complex resupply operations that can leave positions exposed. Longer and more complex supply lines multiply this risk exponentially.